What is meant by GST? The Goods and Services Tax (GST) is a value-added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. It means that the amount would only be imposed on those who consume goods and services, whereby the tax is not applicable to those who do not consume goods and services. When is GST being implemented? Our former Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak introduced GST to replace the sales tax and services tax, which 1st April 2015 is the commencement date of GST. The GST is paid by the consumers, but it is remitted to the government by the businesses selling goods and services such as McD and KFC. In effect, GST provides revenue for the government to improve the standard of living, such as providing health institutions or facilities. Therefore, the revenue derived from GST would be considered as the government funds to provide something beneficial to the public. Scope of GST. Goods and Services Tax (GST) will be charged on any supply of goods or services of it is. The taxable supply of goods and services made in the course of furtherance business in Malaysia. It is a taxable supply made by a taxable person for the business expansion. Imposition. Late payment of GST would attract penalty, computed based on amount outstanding as follows. The payment of GST within the time stipulated above would prevent the GST registration from prosecution by Royal Malaysian Customs, which is above 90 days.